Artificial Intelligence Defined, presented by David R. Wood. Quote, "It is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs." End quote. John McCarthy. What is artificial intelligence? The core component of an artificial intelligence system is algorithms. Algorithms are in their most basic sense a set of instructions or rules, often in the form of a process, used as a model for problem-solving calculations. Different types of algorithms are developed to solve many different problems, mathematical, logical, etc. You use algorithms to solve problems each day. From early childhood, your parents have conditioned components of algorithms into your mind, known as culture, value, principles, habits, prejudices, opinions, etc. These artificial adaptations enable you to solve complex problems in the dynamic environment that is life. I am programming my young children with my parents' algorithmic components every day as best I can. But often our existing algorithms are not sufficient to solve the problem. That is where the power of our natural adaptation of imagination comes in handy. It enables us to develop new models for our algorithms through learning new patterns in the world. By doing so, we are able to dynamically adapt to changes in our operating environment. AI has been developed to mimic our natural adaptation of imagination. A simple version of AI's learning ability is machine learning. Machine learning is developed by feeding the AI large data sets of information, which it then analyzes mathematically. It is a resource-intensive process in terms of data and time, kind of like training a dog. Eventually, the AI then hones its ability to perceive the patterns in the information over time. This enables the AI to perform tasks at light speed compared to humans. Once the AI is honed, any interference from humans slows it down. A more sophisticated form of AI's learning ability is deep learning. Deep learning is an artificial variation of our natural adaptation of imagination. This form of AI learning does not require extensive data sets to hone its ability to identify patterns. The algorithm itself dynamically learns the patterns on its own without human intervention. Think of this process as equivalent to a human child's ability to learn about the world. This is because deep learning builds a conceptual model of the world just like my children are doing right now. The difference is, I am exercising a strong influence on that conceptual model design, while AI is now in many cases designing that model independently. Deep learning is a form of artificial neural network technology, an artificial variation of the human brain. ANNs may be an artificial variation of our brain, but they do not work the same way. At least we don't think it does. For the truth is, humanity does not know exactly how our brain works yet. However, ANNs are built on the same basic principles of the human brain's known neural network organization. ANNs mimic the neural signals of the human brain across connected layers of artificial neurons. These connections are governed by a set of logical criteria, rules, weights, thresholds, etc. As an ANN is fed more information, it dynamically adapts its algorithms utilizing an artificial variation of human imagination. But ANNs process information at machine speed. You leverage an ANN every time you punch in search criteria in Google's search engine. That's artificial intelligence in a nutshell.